Hi, this is Steve from Allinonewinepump. We're here to talk about the Headspace eliminator, how it can help us as home winemakers. I was able to get our Brianna from straight grapes last week, and we were able to ferment it, and we did a first racking, and now we're here to do a second racking, and we realized that we have additional headspace that we need to address. So we got the Headspace eliminator out. We're going to take off the airlock right now, set it aside. Now the Headspace eliminator is now going to replace the S airlock. We take our little adapter. It comes with every Headspace eliminator. It's going to go on the hose. It's a little tight fit. Once we put it on there, we just leave it on there. It's going to go on the one-way check valve, and it's just going to go over it, just like so. We're going to turn the pump on, and that pump will turn on, and it won't take long at all before you start seeing the Headspace eliminator collapse. Once it collapses, you will see that it will be 10 inches of vacuum. So we're going to turn the pump on. Look, it's already collapsed. So that's telling us we have 10 inches of vacuum right now. It's going to keep going. We're going to move the tag around a little bit so you can probably get a little better view. So as soon as it gets about 12 to 14 inches of vacuum, we'll start seeing CO2 being driven out of the wine. As you can see right now, as you can see the CO2 being driven out already. And it'll get more and more and more. And as it's doing, all the CO2 is pushing up all the oxygen out of the headspace through the exhaust of the vacuum pump. It's moving a lot of CO2, it's going to cause it to clear a lot faster, a lot quicker. And now it's easy to do. Just disconnect it. Turn off our vacuum pump. Take our little cap and put it right over the one-way check valve. That's to prevent anything from possibly leaking down the road. Just extra measures, that's all. As you can see, it's still degassing right now. It'll be degassing for the next hour and a half. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye.